All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold Monday morning market analysis. Today we're going to dive into the forex market, especially with gold, and then we are going to look at all the possibilities that we're going to have within the week and how we're going to make money with these possibilities. All right? Yeah. If today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified immediately. Okay, so what before me tells me that gold is currently in the up move, which I spoke about last week Friday. That gold is currently in a bull market. All right, in a bull market. So all we have to do is we have to buy the lows, and that also complies with the Fed analysis of cutting rates. Okay, so we are now sure that they will be cutting rates in September. So if that is the case, then gold should continue the rally. We start pricing in before the rate is cut. All right, good. So that would give gold the momentum to travel higher, to go higher. All right, good. Now let's go into the details. So now gold has done the triangle pattern, and now we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move. So now we're going to look at the last legs, which is from this part. That is the most important part. Now we have seen what we are looking for, and then we would look at the last part. Okay, so gold has done this triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this triangle is done, and then we started with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, and then with 5. All right, so that is the case. That is where we are now. Okay, so now let's move into the smaller time frames, and then we start watching what is happening. So inside the small time frame, we can see gold started with a with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, and then with 5. But this is where the whole problem starts from, because now we want to look into the future. All right, we want to look into the future. So looking into the future, we have to be very, very careful with it. All right, all right. So these have a correction pattern in here. That is an ABC correction. That gives us the wave 2. And this one also something like a megaphone pattern. And then we have with 1 and then with 2 right here like this. Okay. Then price went all the way to the up. We said that this should be our 4 on this particular degree. Okay. Good. And then we can go to the upside. But now price started moving to the upside, so we're going to take it one after the other, and then we will look at the other alternatives. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, but we cannot have a truncation within a wave. So if that is the case, this is telling us that this is probably another degree of wave, which is another 5 degree of wave going to the upside. All right, so if that is the case, this probably should be a wave 1, a wave 1 like this, then this a wave 2, and then we should go on with 3, with 4, with 5 to the upside. All right, so that's basically it. If that is not it, it means that this degree, this very degree of wave has completed. This one has completed. And if it has completed, then we can have a possible 5 wave of a triangle at the end. Okay, at the end. Possible triangle like this. So now we only have the bottom of the triangle. We don't have the top, right? That's what I'm saying. So we can have a triangle, I don't know, but it can be an ending diagonal kind of something like this. Something like this. So we can have something like this right there. We can have something like this right there. All right. So we have to be very, very careful, cool with it. All right. Very, very careful and cool with it. So we can have a kind of triangle that is a 3. So if that is the case, then we should start preparing right here. Seeing this to be a 3, that is a WXYXZ structure. All right. And then this also a 3. Then they will give us a 3. And then they give us a 3. Like that. Okay. We have to start preparing for whatever is about to happen. Like I keep telling you, Elliott wave is just like a game of chess. You start positioning your pieces before the move even happens. Okay, so always you are ahead of the market. That's basically it, and that's what we do all the time. All right. So if you are with me and then we just start watching the chart this way, then you should understand that hey, this is what we want to do. Okay, this is what we want to do. So think of this triangle pattern, or possible with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5. Okay, let's keep all the possibilities in mind. Let's keep all the possibilities in mind, right? So now let's go to the smaller time frame and let me forward this. I have already done this with the VIP. So let me forward it from VIP. Let me forward this from VIP. All right, let me do that right now so that you would also not miss out. Okay, you won't miss out on the trade. All right, good. So I have already forwarded this to VIP. Let me screenshot first, then I do the forwarding. All right, good. Okay, so I have done the first part. Now I would forward this again. No, guys, 1 second. What I did is a bit okay. I'm doing this before I forget. Okay, before I forget, and I won't share the information with you guys. Okay, yeah, with you guys. Right, so that is today. Perfect. So let me share it across the other platforms. And now the real information that is to come. Bingo. All right. So all right. So that's basically it. All right. So our trade, the first trade call is massively in profit. Massively in profit. That's good for us. Starting the Monday morning. Yeah. Good. Guys, if today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that anytime I come live, you would be notified immediately. Please don't forget to hit the love emojis as many times as you can. All right. Please don't forget to do that. Just do that for us. All right. So let's go. Let's go. We're going down to 15 minutes. So we are going down to the 15 minutes. Down to the 15 minutes. Let me take some profits. Okay. Ooh. All right. So this is what I posted in the VIP, and I told them that, hey, this is what I'm seeing. All right, I'm seeing this, and it has played out exactly the same way. Sometimes we see things ahead of the market. What people are not seeing is exactly what we see. Okay, so we see that, and then we we make adjustments to it. Okay, good. Like I told you, this can be with one of a higher degree. This very move can be with one of a higher degree, and this is just an ABC correction. Okay, this is just an ABC correction, and price will start going to the upside. Right, price will start going to the upside. So what we have to do is what we are doing. We have to focus. Okay, Control Z. No, Control Z. Okay. So if that is the case, if that is the case, these can go once we break these levels, then you should expect more buys in action. More buys in action, right? More buys. Once we get this, we should expect more buys in action. And it is true. A lot of buys should come our way. Like I said earlier, um, Fed is pricing in a rate cut. Okay, good. So we would be riding on back of the fundamentals to take our decisions. Okay, we'll be doing that. That's what exactly we'll be doing. Right. So now we have this move. All that we will be doing is that once price gives us a correction, we will buy it into the trend. Okay, it gives us correction, we will buy into the trend. We'll keep doing that for a very long time. All right, all right, good. Um, this is the previous low. This is the previous low, and we had a complex structure right here. A whole lot of stuff. I can't go into it. I think I did that with my students. I can't go into all of these things. Okay. So we have this structure. Now we have this to be with one. For now, we can't tell. But because of the rate cut, I can tell you that this should be our with one, and that should be our with two. All right, and because of that, price should continue going to the upside. Okay, let's ride at the back of the fundamentals. All right, so we have the structure. Price can equally do this A, B. Let me correct it. A, B, and C like this before even going back up, right? But we have an idea what price should be doing. So whenever price drops, it can be, even if it does this, double bottom like this, we will still buy it all the way to the upside. We will buy each and every buy structure. We will buy all of them. Each and every buy structure, we will buy it. Okay, we will keep buying all of that. The reason is very simple. We have an idea what market is like. You have a cheat sheet of what market is to do. So you shouldn't fear about what market will do. Okay, you shouldn't fear at all. You shouldn't fear at all. Do you get it? So that's basically what we will do. That's basically what we would be doing. All right, good. And then yes, that triangle I talk about, which is the ending diagonal, I don't see it happening, but let's not underestimate the fact that it can play out. Okay, let's not underestimate the fact that it can play out. This triangle can play out. Let's not. All right, let's not downplay it at all, because it can actually play out. When it does that, this is what is going to happen. It's going to play out like this, a 3 like that, give us a 3, give us another 3, and then do an ABC correction, big one like this. Then it will buy all the way to the upside. So we cannot downplay it. Do you get it? We cannot downplay that. Not at all. Not at all. So guys, this week, please open your eyes. Every correction like this is a buy. Every correction like this is a buy. Every correction, we keep buying. All right, that's what we'll be doing. We are buying. We are not doing anything aside buying. Okay, so please keep your eyes on the buys and let's buy them. All right, we won't do anything aside that. All we'll be doing is buys. All we'll be doing is buys. Nothing more, nothing less. All right. If today is your first time, please don't forget like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that anytime I come live, you will be notified immediately. Anyways, my name is Dr. Mola, and I will say bye for now, guys.